Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm here with you with a new topic, how to read and understand a research paper using AI-based research assistant named as SciSpace. SciSpace is AI-based assistant to easily read, understand, explore and decode a research paper, a research article. Now, how to do a research paper or a research article? If you want to write a literature review or article, you need to read and understand different research papers. For that, this AI-based research assistant is the best to easily understand and extract the required information from a lengthy paper. Even we can use this Copilot to summarize a research paper, and it will make your work easier. Now let's go to Google and write typeset.io. Now click on the first link, and this link will take you to this website known as SciSpace. Now here I will suggest you to sign up. As I have already signed up, so I will log in. Okay, so this website, SciSpace, is an artificial intelligence based copilot which is used to read and understand any kind of research paper. Now, how we will start with this is we go to My Library option and click to upload a PDF. Now, I have already one publication here, so I will use this publication for demo purpose. This article is now uploaded in the Copilot. This is the portion where any question that I want to ask related to this paper, and this Copilot will generate answers in the above portion. First question I can write is summarize this paper. Now this Copilot is working and it will summarize the whole paper for me. So it is telling me that genetic divergence among wheat breeding line for production traits, then keywords, then it is summarizing the introduction, then materials and method, and every portion of the. So this Copilot, it has summarized this whole lengthy paper for me in just a few paragraphs. So it will save up plenty of your time. Now I can ask, what are the objectives of this research? So all the objectives it is extracting for me from this paper. Now I can also ask, what is the conclusion of this paper or this research? So it will extract a conclusion for me from this paper. For example, if I want to understand this paragraph, so explain text. See, this is so simple. See, it's explaining me the whole text. I have written it. Or I can ask it to summarize the whole text. Okay. Similarly, for example, I want to understand this word genetic diversity. So I will ask to explain text. So it will tell me what basically a genetic diversity is. See, okay. Genetic diversity, importance of genetic diversity in plant breeding, effect of limited genetic diversity. So it is explaining me the whole genetic diversity. Similarly, there is some other word, correlation. So, and I don't know maybe what is correlation, or I forgot. So I will ask the Copilot to explain correlation. Just you need to select and click on the explain. So it is giving you the whole information regarding correlation. So this is a very strong Copilot. Third thing, what is heritability? So I will ask the Copilot to explain heritability. So it will tell you heritability. Now, for example, I want to save this information. So I will click it to save the notebook here. For example, if I want to save this thing, information related to heritability, so I will click on save a notebook. Now um, later on, anytime when I log into the SciSpace, so I will just simply go to a notebook and see the information related to correlation, the information related to heritability is here. And also, um, I can, from my library, here is that paper I have uploaded, and this is the notebook. Okay, so this is all about the use of SciSpace, that how to use this SciSpace to easily understand a research paper or to read a research paper in a limited time. It will save your time, and instead of reading the whole article of, sometime there are articles of 10 to 20 pages even. So this AI based article will definitely save your time. And this is all for today. Thank you and have a great day.